Alrighty, so you're on your iPhone, the group chat is popping off a little too much, and you want to mute the conversation. A couple ways to do this. Here in the Messages app, on any conversation, group, or single person, doesn't matter, if you swipe to the left, you'll see an option to delete or mute the conversation, shown by that little bell icon. Hit the bell, and that mutes the conversation. To unmute it, same thing, just come back and hit the bell again. Or if you want to do it from inside that conversation, you can tap the recipient at the top and just toggle on Hide Alerts. Now, when I go back, we'll see that conversation is muted. The other person will not know or get notified that you muted them. This all happens only on your end, and on their side, things will look the same as always. This works identically on both iMessage and standard SMS or RCS messages. So whether it's a green bubble or blue bubble, doesn't matter, it works the same for every recipient. Anyways, that's how you mute conversations on your iPhone. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy, quick guides like this one. Thanks all.